Good afternoon. It's May 20th, 2020, and we're in our final week of distance learning. And you're actually done with what you need to do for Math Workshop, except what we're going to do today. It sure hasn't been the same not being with you these last 8 weeks. I'm really proud of those of you that made the most of it. So I wanted to share, about 9:30 this morning, I checked to see who our Wildcat workers were, and you can see that we had about 12 of you that since Monday started working on Math 180. And I didn't check lessons today. I didn't have time. But congratulations to Weston with 175 minutes. That's almost 3 hours. So Weston, I can't wait to see how many lessons that you finished. And then Moses had 75. And so that was great. And several of you were really close to that 30 that was assigned. So thank you so much for that. Like I told you, I wanted to share something. That is not what I wanted to share. Something a little bit different with you today. Normally we do some kind of a goodbye or end of the year activity. And since we're not together, I've been trying to figure out what to do. So bear with me and let's see how this works out. First of all, I want to compliment you on you did it. You got through distance learning. Nobody else has ever had to go through what you've gone through this school year. And you'll always remember it was when I was in middle school that the pandemic was here. And you did it. We made it. We still have to take some precautions. We still have to be safe. We still need to wash our hands and be careful. But you made it through a school year like nobody else ever has had to do that. And that's amazing. I don't know what the fall will hold. I don't know how we'll go back to school, but I know one thing, we'll get through it, and we'll get through it together. I wanted to share a book with you this afternoon for our final time together. And the book is called I Wish You More. I wish you more ups than downs. I wish you more give than take. I wish you more tippy toes than deep. I wish you more we than me. I wish you more hugs than Uggs. I wish you more will than hill. I wish you more woohoo than whoa. I wish you more can than not. I wish you more snowflakes than tongue. I wish you more pause than fast forward. I wish you more umbrella than rain. I wish you more bubbles than bath. I wish you more treasures than pockets. I wish you more stories than stars. I wish all of this for you because you are everything I could wish for and more. It's been a good year spent with you, 3 great quarters, and I wish you even more. If some of you have hills that you have to deal with at school, at home, pandemics, and from the very beginning we've talked about growth mindset and what you can do every time, and I always wish you more will. Wherever you're off to next year, whether you come back to Westridge, whether you're on to West or some other high school or middle school, I wish you all the best and even more. So if you'd now please look at the list below on Google Classroom, you'll see a link to Flipgrid. And I'd really like to finish the year by hearing your voice and seeing your face. And if you have a wish for your class or me, maybe think of it as making a tweet or a bumper sticker wish. An example might be, I wish you more balconies than basements. Or create something visual you want to share in your wish video. I always wish you more sunshine than raindrops. Love you.